Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, as you know, on the Jamaican roads there is a lot of indiscipline, and one of the major culprits on the road for the indiscipline are the taxi operators or the persons in the transportation sector, to put it another way. They are the ones who are creating the majority of the problems on the road. So today we're going to tell you about Operation Streamline, which is an effort by the government agencies to bring law and order back to the roads. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Honorable Darrell Vaz, toured sections of the corporate area on Monday to get a first-hand look at operations in the public passenger vehicle transportation sector. The tour was part of activities under Operation Streamline, a joint initiative of the Transport Authority, Island Transport Authority, and the Jamaica Constabulary Force to rid the streets of rogue taxi drivers and ensure the safety of the public. Minister Vaz was accompanied by the chairman of the Transport Authority, Owen Ellington, managing director of the Transport Authority, Ralston Smith, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Gary Mackenzie, route inspectors, along with members of the PPV steering committee. The Operation Streamline tour commenced at the North Odeon Avenue, Eastwood Park taxi stand and moved along Red Hills Road onto Chancery and Constant Spring Road into New Kingston and concluded in Barbican Square. During the tour, Minister Vaz engaged with taxi operators, drivers, and other stakeholders. He said that the exercise provided an opportunity to gain a better understanding of the transport operations and the challenges and opportunities in the industry. He noted that the government is taking a zero-tolerance approach to indiscipline in the sector and cited the need for cooperation from the public and taxi operators to bring order to the system. Minister Vaz said that the operation will continue and be sustained because we need to send a message that we are finally moving to zero tolerance. It is now time to act. The rampant indiscipline is going to require a change. This is a start and we must sustain it. It is going to need the government to invest because the roads need markings and signage, especially at the intersections, and most importantly, improved road infrastructure, he pointed out. Giving an update on the day's activities, ACP Gary Mackenzie, who is head of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, said the operation sought to clamp down on lawlessness on the nation's roadways. So far, we have issued some 190 traffic tickets. We have seized 10 vehicles and we have made 7 arrests by way of execution of warrants. The initiative is one where we aim to get the transportation moving across the city and the country in an organized and lawful manner, he noted. We believe that the public needs something like this, and so far, they have been very receptive in terms of operations and we aim to continue, ACP Mackenzie said. Alright, so that's the end of the update. So this is a very good initiative because things are so bad on the roads that these rogue taxi operators, they run red lights. They literally don't stop at red lights. They just go right through them. And in some instances, some of these people don't even have a driver's license. Now, it's one thing if your driver's license has expired or you did not renew it, but some of these rogue taxi operators were never issued a driver's license. They never did a driving test, yet they are on the road speeding and running red lights and transporting members of the public. So this is a very good initiative, and we will keep you guys updated on it. All right, guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. All right, guys, have a good day.